How to appear offline on Discord. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open your web browser and then in search address bar type down to discord.com and navigate to its official website. Now, once you're inside the official website, make sure that you are logged in. Then you can simply see the green dot online icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen, right on your username. Now tap on it, then tap on the online. Now there you can see invisible option available. This makes you appear offline, but you can still use Discord normally. So invisible is the best option for the offline. Tap on it and you can set it accordingly. Here I'm setting it for forever. Or you can also set it for 1 day, 2 hours, 24 hours, according to your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.